Here we are with Tiger's Tips. You ever find yourself in need of a new shift knob? Believe it or not, we hear all kind of reasons why people need them. Somebody stole it, the dog chewed on it, the kids took it off and were throwing at each other. They're kind of a hard plastic. Sometimes people can't get the inserts in. Just thread it on, tighten it up. Especially today, it's pretty cold out. If you got a heat gun or even a hair dryer, heat it up for a couple seconds. Just don't overdo it. Don't melt it. Make the plastic a little softer, and then this insert should go right in there. It doesn't take much. It's just starting to get soft already. Peel the back off it. It's got self-adhesive on the back. Line it up how you want it. Give it a push in there. As you can see, the shifter now is much more pliable, and it'll stiffen back up once it cools down, and you're good to go. It's that simple.